I've seen two things go through the windshield of a Cabover. One TV and one watermelon. Hey, thanks for joining us again. We got a project here we're going to pull in the shop. Little Cabover job. Don't know a whole lot more about it other than it's a Cabover because the cab goes up, so we know that much. But we're going to hook up to it the tow truck and get it cleaned off. We picked up this truck not running, and we're fairly sure maybe the motor's seized up, but we're not 100% sure of that. It doesn't turn over, a few things, but we're going to get the cab up, get it steamed off, find a spot for it in the shop, and just kind of go to it a little bit at a time. We're really not sure where we're going with this project, if we're going to do a complete restore, get it running, sell it, keep it here at the shop to, you know, to use around here. So a little bit of a mystery at the moment, but stay with us. I'm sure we'll find all kinds of treasures as we get going.
Alright, a little sneak peek. I'm sitting in the cab here. She's a Peterbilt. It's in fairly decent shape, dusty and whatnot. Got some corn right here, I guess, for the mice. Little CB action still up here. So, my dad's in the wrecker back here. He's gonna pull me over to the shop. I'm just gonna steer. First thing we're gonna do is just get it over to the back of the shop where we can get the pressure washer to it and get all the grease and grime that we can off, so it's a little bit of a cleaner start to the project. So it's a bit of a tight squeeze, so we're going pretty slow. Squeeze past the dumpster on that side, and then wheeling over here. This is a weird feeling going backwards. Just gonna back me right down to this door right here, I believe. Looks like we're stopping. Maybe we're gonna move this tow truck so we can get right there. All right, the tow truck's moved. We're just gonna back this thing right here. Enough room that we can still tip this cab down. And then we'll do a little walk around to this sweet beast. I just had to ask my dad what a brake saver was, because I've never even heard of that. I don't think you see them that much anymore, but old Peterbilt Cabover. So pretty cool little rig. I'm excited to see what we do with it. It's tempting to steer this thing, but I'm just trying to hold it straight so that he can back me how he wants to get it. I'm just supposed to open the door when I'm getting down to the concrete. Here we are. Me learn how to climb out of this thing, and then we'll give you a walk around.
There she is, all of its glory. Oops. One Cabover delivered.
Got a package, people!
And at least it's gonna hold that far. Usually they just start coming back down.
It is dripping out of the cylinder there.
Oh yeah. You leakers. The real test now is it gonna stop or go land right on the ground?
Shut this before we bend the hinge.
Other side open.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, you're gonna slam it
Keep
in
going.
here.
The wind's gonna blow it the rest of the way over. This is the lock. Right there.
Is it very common that they just go all the way down?
No. Maybe we hit the lock over there. No lock. Why did it quit?
Maybe that's all she's got.
Huh?
Maybe that's all she's got.
No, it'll usually go clear over. There she goes. Beautiful.
Beautiful, Clark.
like it was meant to be. Well, there she is. Good old cat. We'll have to do a few checks here, see what the heck happened to the poor girl. Decide if it's something we want to fix this one, put a different one in, what we're going to do. So yeah, that's about where we're at. We're going to steam it off, get it good and clean, or as clean as we can get it, and then probably pull that motor out. But first is first, we're going to pull the oil filter off, cut that up. That'll probably tell us what kind of problems we got. So we'll go to that point, and yeah, good old Cabover. We got to name her.
Maybe we should take suggestions, huh? Well, we've been spraying for a minute, but this is going to be a few day ordeal, I'm sure, getting all this sprayed off. We just want to get it all clean, all this junk from the wet kit and everything. That way we can pull it inside and it's not grimy and crusty to crawl around, because we're going to probably be touching about every inch of this thing. So this is a good little intro to this Cabover project. I'm really excited. I've been waiting on this for a little while. We could finally clear some space in the shop to get it in, so I'm excited to share it with YouTube and have you guys follow along and give us suggestions along the way with what we're doing with everything, because there is a lot still up in the air depending how ruined this motor is or whatever. If we, tear it apart and rebuild it, find something else. I know my dad's a really big N14 Cummins guy, so if we located one of them, I think he'd be pretty dang tempted to put it in there. So lots to figure out. It's going to be a pretty fun process, so we're glad to have you along, and follow us on the next one. Thanks for watching.